Hello, I'm Bill. I'm CEO and co-founder of Datam.
Hi, I'm Miles. I'm co-founder and chairman.
And we're on a mission to revolutionise the way the payment sector does business.
We're living in an increasingly cashless society with over 700 billion transactions in 2019, a 15% increase on the year before. And those numbers are only increasing because of COVID, with now more than 3/4 of people using less cash than they were before. Cash is no longer king.
And yet, 40% of small businesses in the UK still don't take payment by card. It's vitally important that these businesses and hundreds of thousands like them are equipped to take payment in store, online or by phone, or using one of the new COVID-compliant mechanisms like order and pay at table apps.
The global market for card processing is huge. In fact, it's $30 trillion a year and growing. The companies that deliver these services are generally very profitable and have not felt the need to innovate or reduce operating costs. But the world is changing and there are some new guys on the block. A global problem needs a global solution. Challenge accepted. If you're a small business owner wanting to accept card payments, all you have to do is sign a contract with an acquirer. An acquirer is a bank or financial institution that processes credit or debit cards on behalf of a business. Just one contract between two organisations. You think it'd be simple, right? Wrong. Initially, the business, otherwise known as a merchant, will often go to their bank or online to seek advice.
The merchant is then introduced to an ISO. This is an independent sales organisation that acquirers use to distribute their services to smaller companies who want to start taking card payments or switch to a new provider.
The ISO will then contact the merchant,
who must then provide a wide array of data points so that the ISO can, you know what, Miles, I'm fed up with this. It just goes on and on. Datam was founded to replace these outdated and inefficient systems, ushering in a new era in the card payments industry. We have built and deployed a platform that encompasses the entire merchant application journey, allowing businesses to start taking payments within 5 minutes online and receive their chip and PIN terminal the very next day. Our software as a service platform combines a quote and e-contract engine, allowing company, fraud and identity checks to be carried out in real time. It helps set up a finance agreement for the merchant to pay for the chip and PIN machine, creates the necessary direct debit instructions, manages the logistics and maintains a secure audit trail. All fully automated and 100% data compliant. No more paperwork, no more manual processes, and we minimise risk for each individual member of the value chain.
Datam was established in 2018 and we've already invested over £2.5 million from our shareholders and investors. The business is trading, we're receiving revenues and we've now reached profitability. Inquiries are coming in from around the world and the word is out. If you want to compete, you need to work with Datam.
And our results speak for themselves. So far, we've seen a 90% reduction in keystrokes in the merchant sales and onboarding process, a 35% efficiency increase for salespeople, a 40% increase in efficiency for admin staff, and a 22% increase in conversion rates compared to sales methods dominated by manual processes.
We conducted extensive research with the payments industry and concluded that 450,000 small businesses in the UK replace or renew their card services provider every year. There is a significant opportunity for Datam in the market and we are raising funds to increase our capacity in development, operations and customer care.
So we hope you'll join us as we revolutionise the way in which the payment sector sells its services.
Thank you.